Hi everyone. Can-Am has announced its 2021 lineup of off-road vehicles, and easily the biggest news here is a set of active suspension for the Maverick X3 that the brand is calling Smart Shocks. Developed in partnership with Vox, and yes, that's the same brand that supplies Polaris with its live valve active suspension, Can-Am is looking to provide riders with a best of both worlds experience. Tight handling and whoop-eating desert running. The new Smart Shocks will be available on the most powerful and widest of all the Maverick models. That means that the official designation is the Maverick X3 XRS Turbo RR with Smart Shocks. Dang, that is a mouthful. The system works by using 9 different sensors to constantly monitor wheel position, velocity, and driver inputs to automatically adjust damping at each shock independently, making over 200 adjustments per second. The benefits are numerous, like flatter cornering, less nosedive when braking, and better launches thanks to less squat. The system is similar to what Polaris offers, but differs in 2 main ways. Smart Shocks controls both compression and rebound damping, where the Razor only controls compression, and the Can-Am shocks are quicker to react. To go from full soft to full stiff, Smart Shocks take just 0.017 seconds compared to 0.4 seconds in the Polaris. 3 different drive modes will be offered with the Smart Shocks: Comfort, Sport, and Sport Plus. Now, other specs on this machine stay the same, and to better understand the entire 2021 Maverick lineup, let's go ahead and take a quick look at the Can-Am online configurator. The lineup starts with the X3 DS Turbo, making 120 horsepower and offering 64 inches of width. There are 3 different power outputs with the Maverick. The middle Turbo R model offers 172 horsepower, while the RR puts out 195 horsepower. Adding in the RS designation means that the Maverick moves up to 72 inches wide, and that brings us here to the RR with Smart Shocks. Now let's take a look exactly at what this package offers. There are 2 color options here, this black on black model or the desert tan with black and red accents. Of course, loads of accessories are available, but let's skip those and move right into the summary and see what we get. The list of accessories included in this package is pretty long here, starting with the roof, full skid plates, a tow hook, 4-point harnesses, performance drive shafts, the smart lock front differential, and LED lighting. That brings our total price to $29,499 US, making this the second most expensive model in the Can-Am lineup, only being topped by the 4-seat version, which sells for $32,099. North of the border in Canada, this new Smart Shocks model goes for $35,599 for the 2-seater and over $38,000 for the 4-seater. Can-Am is continually packing its machines full of new smart features to make sure it can compete with Polaris, and this is just another example. The Smart Shocks models will be available in dealerships in the fall of this year. That's it for this video, everybody. Now we're going to do our best to get one of these Smart Shocks models and show it off here on the channel, so make sure you come back to TFL Off-Road. Now go below, leave a comment, hit like, hit subscribe, and then come back to the channel for the latest news, views, and real-world reviews. See ya.